हेलो पीपल, कैसे हैं आप? मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ यार। लास्ट एपिसोड की भी मैंने शुरुआत की थी कुछ शेर के साथ, तो अभी भी कुछ ताज़ा ताज़ा अर्ज करूँ। आज है लड़कों की बारी, आज है लड़कों की बारी। तो चलिए सुनते हैं क्या है उनकी राय ऑन सेक्स, साइंस एंड नारी। वाह 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 वाह। लास्ट एपिसोड था ऑन व्हाट विमेन वांट एंड मेन शुड नो दैट। इस बार हम लेके आए हैं व्हाट मेन वांट गर्ल्स शुड नो। यस, अगर वो एपिसोड आप नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज गो एंड वॉच बिकॉज गर्ल्स वर ऑन फायर, दे वर ऑनेस्ट, दे वर बोल्ड। तो देखते हैं लड़की क्या कमाल करते हैं। लेट्स गो। If a girl is hitting on you, how you give a sign that you are also interested?
Oh, simple. There's just we have to smile and attract. That's it.
Smile like
Yes,
this one.
yes.
I'll also look at her, but probably I have this trick where I have this
Now
trick.
listen to this carefully. It's a trick.
Yeah, it's a trick. Like if the girl is standing over here, I won't look into her eyes. I will look at her shoulders, okay, or something behind her. And when she makes she makes an eye contact, I look at her and smile and look away. So in that way, she feels I was looking at her, but I wasn't.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Yeah.
आई डोंट नो, मैं ऐसे साइंस देता ही नहीं हूँ, पहले से ही रिजर्व टाइप हूँ तो।
I'm single. I have no experience about it, so I was like, I would directly go and talk.
I'll do different kinds of signs like I'll wave my hair and all.
I will directly approach her.
If the girl is dumb, she will not get your first sign. What will be the level 2?
I will go directly and talk to her. That's it.
Same.
I will ask few questions more related for some place or some weather, some funny question. Yeah, now today is hot weather.
Okay.
So some funny question or something, then start talking and all.
Then I won't go for her.
Okay.
Then
No
I-
second chance.
The level 2 will be to turn around and go back to some other person. Seriously.
What things in girls turns you on?
Each and every corners.
Fashion sense, size thing, then good figure or something like that. Good looking.
Okay.
For me, it's the eyes and the smile.
S.
That's the honest. Yes.
Obviously, the looks matters first. If you see from far,
Her attitude and her nature.
क्यूट लुक्स, फेयर स्किन, गुड टाइडी लुक्स, दैट्स ऑल।
If you have a girlfriend and suddenly she stopped giving you attention, what you can do to seek her attention?
I'll take her out on a date.
Date someone else so she get jealous.
Someone else.
So start looking around. Because I know that girls go jealous by doing this. So
बड़े रिसर्च करके बैठे हैं ये।
yeah, okay. My girlfriend has stopped giving me attention. There's only one reason, that I have done something wrong. Okay? That's the whole thing. So you have to do something different. You have to reach her home with a bouquet or something, or take her out somewhere, and recreate your starting memories.
I will pinch anywhere in that body, her body. Immediately. It's very easy.
Now I'm a bit shy. It'll be your pins.
Yeah.
Have you tried this?
So many times.
Okay, it works.
Yes.
I'll give you some words. Okay, in girls' qualities, you have to rank them according to priority of yours. Okay, beauty, brain, looks, sex appeal.
Beauty, I would go. It would be the topmost priority. Beauty, then brain, second one. Third, you told sex appeal, right? And third comes sex appeal. Fourth one, I think nature. But should be nature loving. You then
Brains, nature, beauty and sex appeal.
nature, brain, beauty, and then sex.
I think actually first should be, if I'm looking for my wife, then nature comes first. Second is beauty. Third is sex appeal, and fourth one is
Brain.
brain.
So she'll be dumb.
Actually, nahi.
Brain, nature, beauty, and sex. Yeah. Rain, nature, beauty, and last one the sex appeal.
For me, brains would be the first, obviously. Then second is sex appeal. Obviously, she should be open about it. I don't like the orthodox, like, no, we cannot talk about sex. No. Then obviously, then beauty and the looks.
First would be brainy, because if she's brainy, she doesn't have to act sexy and all. The sexy appeal would come itself. So that's that. Second of all, nature. And third was what? Heart. Now, if she's brainy and she has a good nature, the heart is obviously good. And then, sex appeal last. They're contradicting. Actually, थोड़ा सब balance होना चाहिए.
अच्छा सब कुछ चाहिए बैलेंस
सब balance.
ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा आपको चार
अभी
अलग अलग
see.
ढूंढनी पड़ेंगी so before this episode we had one more episode on girls okay answering to the same question and we asked them a question that is order important for you, sex before marriage, sex after marriage, okay, and most of them said sex before marriage. So what is your reaction?
I don't know. Well, I'm a little bound to culture, so accordingly, for me, sex after marriage is better.
अगर आप मेरे हिसाब से पूछ रहे हो, obviously not first.
सही नहीं है.
नहीं, obviously not first. According to me.
No, after marriage only.
It's okay. Doesn't
No
matter.
comments.
We are in 2017 now.
It's fine, right?
It's fine. Obviously, it's fine.
It's, come on, 21st century generation. We are the next gen. We are Gen Y, not the Gen X. We are the Gen Y. So obviously, it's cool. If they are in a relationship, if they are both are committed to each other, then they should go for it. I don't mind.
So if it's fine for you, my important question now is, if your would-be wife is not a virgin, then
Yeah, I'll definitely be fine. Yeah.
On television, I should say this.
Yeah, it is because everyone has a past. So
No, if
she's not a virgin, और आप घर से निकाल दोगे?
नहीं, it's fine. If
Yeah.
अगर वो कोई relationship में पहले रही है और serious sort of है तो fine.
If I've chosen her,
Yeah.
Then it's done, because it's a done deal, because I have chosen her for some certain right reasons. Yeah.
then yeah, I will accept her. If I love her, then only.
How sweet. How sweet.
It's okay. So what?
It's okay.
It's okay. Gone are the days of 1990s or the 17th century. Come on.
Yoo-hoo! तो ये था आज का स्ट्रीट स्पीक का एपिसोड ऑन व्हाट मेन वांट. आई होप यू ऑल लाइक इट. आई एंजॉयड इट. टू कंक्लूड, हमारे मुंह में को कभी किसी की नजर ना लगे और ना ही जरूरत पड़े एंटी रोमियो स्क्वाड की. सो बॉयज, लेट्स प्लेज टू लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट ऑल विमेन. अब मैं करती हूँ सायनारा शबा खैर, साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम स्नेहल. डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, like this video, comment down below, and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and for behind the scene, Instagram. Bye bye. What street speak? बोलो.
Look at this, man. Look on the camera.
What street speak? Street speak.
Street speak.